What is up, everyone? Welcome to UyghurMan stream. Today is day 2 of my million times call out. What I should call challenge probably, or just my activity. Yesterday I called million times. No, 1,000 of million times. It basically is 0.1% of my goal. So yeah, actually it's 1,007 times. And yesterday I did something. After I finished my stream, I realized the background should be have more fun for you guys. At least something, not just like this. The global is like rotating. I just wanna show you guys some video. So I keep downloading some video. It's about some evidence of this genocide. Okay, first I want to show you guys all I did here. If you see Xinjiang, right? Because Xinjiang is what China called my land. So if when you type Xinjiang, it's all about Chinese propaganda. The majority is, at least. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what news is this? It's I traveled to Xinjiang. I have to say that real exists. Okay, this guy hopefully is real, and let's see. But he said like quote, like, you know, double quotation on that forced label real exists. It's like a joke. I'm not recommend this video, but all I want to say is look at those propaganda. This is all Chinese. There's like a lot of video from the CGTN I just saw earlier. Like this one is CGTN. See, CGTN news. It's all about Chinese propaganda. He says there's no forced labor, or there's no like genocide going on. Look at this. They use like a white monkey. Like they use foreigners, especially they like use Westerners, like whoever looks not Chinese and speak English. They use them as a tools to make video, propaganda video. Look at this. This guy traveled to Xinjiang. Okay, so-called Xinjiang. Me and all the Uyghurs abroad, we can't go home. All right, because our life in danger, because they're doing genocide. So no one will go home. If we go home, we will get arrested right in the airport without any reason. Maybe just because I speak out, I made some YouTube videos. That's all crime I have. And any journalists, you see those BBC journalists, if they go to the East Turkestan for get some information, all the cop always follow behind them. Check their document million times and give some excuse to block their road, their path. I made a video about this before. I don't want to talk about that again, but that's why I want to show you guys a lot of like a real video I download. I find yesterday I spent like almost like whole day after my stream. I just keep going to different people's like some activist Facebook page, and I download a lot of video from like the Chinese TikTok. Not is like a TikTok you can use. It's a Chinese TikTok, like TikTok Chinese version. They use only internal China service. So even it means my sister in China, in East Turkestan, have TikTok on her phone. But if I download TikTok here, I cannot search her name, her username. I can't find her because this is totally different service. So there's a lot of people in Uyghurs, they also downloaded the TikTok and they use TikTok, but our TikTok is not like entertainment app, okay? It's like to show their daily life. They just took a video when they got forced labor, right? The reason I say forced labor, you will see all our mothers in our culture, they don't work outside, physical work, because from their traditional dress, you can see it's not designed for the work outside. In my culture, we work as a male, we work outside, all the hard work, physical work we do. The mother or the wife usually work inside more. If they want to work, yes, they want to work, but we don't want them work hard, work tough. Okay, that's man's job. Not because of we treat women and men not unequally. That's because women don't deserve. We love our woman, our mother. They don't deserve work those physical, hard, tough works. That's why we never. If my mother lifting some heavy things, me or my father will run to her. Okay, it's my job. Let me do it. You know. That's why male is here. In my culture, you know, I'm not criticize other culture, but that's mine. But you will see in the video soon how our mother becomes a slave. Okay, that's why I can recognize they got forced, and they're dressing their own traditional dress, but like not super traditional, just a regular dress, because that's how they dress usually. And that's how you get the forced labor. You will see. Oops. Here it is, and it's a lot. I will keep reciting my stuff, and you guys watch this, okay? Here it is. Okay, I will keep continue my Uyghur Man million times call out goal. You guys can hello man, Ashina. Guys, if you guys have any question, I will type it here. If you guys have any question, just let me know, but I will reply after it, okay guys? Just ask. I will reply after it. Okay, and allow me just share these things to my Facebook, and I will start. Okay, one more. Yes, bro. I need to finish my today's goal, so it's 1,000 times. I can't do the same thing at the same time. So, but I will make sure that I will reading while I'm doing my things, doing my count, and I will make sure all the comments gonna show up on the screen. So, oops. Okay. Okay, that's true. All right, guys. Now I can see all of your comments on the screen very soon. Okay, please, guys. All I want to do is spread Uyghurs genocide, what's going on to Uyghurs, to the world. Okay. And just because there's a lot of Chinese propaganda, fake videos out there on the YouTube, first rank, they rank on the top. They're ranking on the top, so I wanna fight with it. I know I'm not that much views, but we will if you guys help me to share. Okay. So this video is about our grave, because of their kids got concentration camp and those land got always destroyed by Chinese communists. So the grave is broken. See, there's a hole, and you can see the dead bodies through that hole. This lady was complaining. I'm not gonna explain every single video. If you guys have any discussion, please keep going, and I will see the chat here. So I will reply afterward, guys. Thanks for your support, and please don't forget share it and give a like button and give some comments. All right, I'm gonna start. Alright, I'll take off my glasses. China committing genocide. 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 Give me 1 second. I just want to say today's video is all about forced labor, and those video you can never see from the other place except Uyghur Man. I mean, those all together you can't find, because I downloaded from all different places. All this I've leaked video. China don't want you see. They already pushed them, deleted probably. All about forced labor. Oops. China committing genocide. 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 Oh, I want to pause here. I want to stop here because these two local native old Uyghur men, they are 85 years old. What this Chinese invader said. She said, "Oh, I'm from mainland. I came here to take care of the land." She is doing this farm work, but she is using native Uyghurs, old men. But how much is paying? She paying to those guys a month. 150 Chinese dollar, which is less than around like exactly 20 American dollars per month. 20 American dollars. Uyghurs are living the richest land in the world, okay? This is for sure. You can do your own research to tell me Uyghurs are living or rich land or poor land, but we are the poorest people in the world. And those invaders came to my land, took all the land, do farming, building, the construction, and paying the local people, old guys like that, 1 month, less than $20. That's what she said in that video. That's how I fight with evidence with those Chinese propaganda. All this is Chinese propaganda, guys. Look at this. I traveled to Xinjiang, CGT, and all, like, look at this. Forced labor. They use a quotation. And those are all Uyghur young guys who got transferred to mainland China in factory. They can't go home. They are transported by the cup, the tube. Okay, you will see some video like this, how they transport them with buses, a lot of bus with the cups in front of them. Okay, guys, I'll keep going. China committing genocide. 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 China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Thanks for you guys being here with me. Yeah, if you guys have a more discussion, I would love to just to read, you know, it's not too boring for me. Then if you guys want to help, just join our community, and we have a lot of discussion. There's way you can help. A simple way, just record 50 times. If you record 50 times, just say China committing genocide and send it to me in our community. I would love to post it here. Then you are helping me to finish my goal and helping Uyghurs to call out to the world who's still sleeping. We are calling million times. If they're still sleeping, then they will be get judged one day. So that's the purpose of this millions time. Maybe some people still trying to say, oh, we don't know. They try to be blind. Okay, the video is here. I'm calling million times. If you still don't hear, then it's your problem. You're gonna get judged one day with Chinese Communist Party. So please guys, share for me. Let's more people hear my voice. Here's the Uyghur's voice. Watch this stuff. It's a real video from the... This is not CGTN's video. It's the Uyghurs who talk their daily life. You can see our mothers with their long dress walking as a slave. This is their grave because their kids are missing. Their young children are disappearing or in concentration camp. No one take care of their grave. That's not my normal culture. We will visit our parents if they pass away. We will go and visit their grave very often, every couple months, or at least twice in every Muslim festival, or like Eid, Ramadan. We will go grave, we will pray, we will take care of the grave. But look at it, no one take care of their grave because their son are missing or killed or in concentration camp, and China destroying the land. That's why even the grave have a hole there. You can see the body through that hole, that lady said. Okay guys, please share as much as you can. Everywhere, I mean. Okay, I'll have to keep going. I only finished a half goal today. Only the 1,000 call-out. It's not easy. I'm already, like, my mouth is already, like, tired. My jaw is, like, hurting. Okay, I'll keep going. China committing genocide. 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 China's committing genocide. China 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 committing genocide. Yeah, look at this. They are taking Uyghurs with the cops. With the cops lead all these buses, you know, taken to the mainland, and then used as a forced labor in the factory, cheapest price, cheaper than Han Chinese. Han Chinese is the cheapest labor in the world, but they have a slave for free almost. Just need to give them some cabbage soup a day, that's all. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Yes, after international pressure, I heard some of them released from concentration camp, maybe, but even though they released, okay, maybe they don't have enough space in concentration camp for those Uyghurs, but they run them up, just use them every day, like let them dig the hole and fill the hole, dig the hole and dig the ground, fill the ground, just like that, you know, just makes them busy. Not, imagine that's a Chinese strategy, like make their citizen busy. That's why they pay them minimum, so they work every day. The group of people, like they have to work every single day, they have a tough life. They have no time to think about the politics, think about, oh, this communism is bullshit like that. So they keep their citizens busy, and they keep, and for the stability control of East Turkestan, that's how they do. They lock all the Uyghurs male in the concentration camp, or kill them, or transfer to them the mainland China, use them as a slave. And there's a bunch of women, right, the female, even that, even them, they don't want to let them alone. Use our mothers, dig the ground, fill the ground, dig the ground, endless work, right, endless work. Han Chinese population, Han invaders population, more than 50 already in my place. Why there's no like workers, the slaves like them, all of them is Uyghurs. Because Han Chinese as a boss, okay, there's two different class of people, invader and native. We as a native, with Kazakh people, we as a native, we as a slave. Those guys, the Chinese invaders, you never see them work like this, okay? They're all boss, they're all the leaders, they all, you will see, maybe tomorrow's video I have, this is only about forced labor. Tomorrow I will show you guys about the genocide, and the day after tomorrow I will show you guys our kids' life, okay? About the genocide, you see like bunch of, like hundreds of Uyghurs lead by one Han Chinese reciting those Chinese communist song, or like Chinese propaganda, or assimilation policy. Yeah, this is just about the forced labor today. Look at them. This is our reality. You can't find this video anywhere. Only here, guys. I spent a day and days to collect all this. I'm still collecting. I'm still searching. Okay? This is not regular TikTok. It's called a Douyin, only in China. It's in China service. Okay. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing. Look at them, bunch. They transfer Uyghurs with the batches, one batch, two batch. Look at this. This Han Chinese lady said, "Oh, you know how much we're paying for this? I'm come from mainland. I'm taking care of this land. They are my workers. I pay them 150 Chinese dollar a month, guys. Like it means $20, 20 American dollars per month. Look at how he looks. Look at that old grandpa, 85 years old, but they still have to work hard, and how skinny they are, almost like a thick. That's called forced labor. Do not believe, do not ever believe when you search anything called Xinjiang on YouTube. Look at what they said. Look at this Chinese people said. Oh, there's no like forced labor. They use a double quotation for the forced labor. They're making joke about what we're saying. If you want to listen from Han invaders, it's your choice. I am here as a Uyghur. If you want to listen me or them, okay? They're saying BBC is fake news. The BBC is lies. Okay, you think I am lie too? Okay? I have a daughter, I have family. You think all my family is lying and doing stream every day for lie, just for lie? We don't do that shit. We are Muslim. We don't lie. We have God to watching us, okay? They don't have God to watching them. They don't scare anything, but we scare. We have some rules control us. We can't do certain things, like lie. We don't do that shit, but they do. They do every single, that's how they survive. That's how they exist, with a lie and trap, okay? So look at this, internet, YouTube, if you search anything, it's all Xinjiang, it's all lie. It's all fake. You have to listen Uyghur situation from Uyghur Man, okay? Whoever is real Uyghur Man, listen from them. Or the journalists who went there. Not the Chinese CGTN, like, or the Chinese this is CGTN again. Okay, how many views they have? Like 2,233K, guys. Look at how many people. And if you click it, I can sure there's a lot of like comment which not from the regular people. It's all Chinese bot, okay?
What's happening inside?
Oh yeah, Xinjiang is good. Look at this. Oh, see, I'm so happy to see this video. CGTN is so good. Oh, I like it. It's all Chinese bots. They spend millions and millions money hiring millions people just sitting. That's called online soldier. China has more online soldiers than anywhere in the world. They just type like a bot. That's why that's called CCP bot. They just fill online content, okay? They attack the channel like ours, and they support, they share the like their own media like this. So if you support me, just let's spread awareness of our channel, guys. Let's fight with this. See, American, like this guy said, American native people said, oh, I want to, Native American said, I want to go this type of school too. Like, you know, this kind of making fun of how America did something to the Native American. That's why he's saying always, oh, America did genocide to the Native American, why we can't? Australia did those things to the Native Australian, why we can't? Why are you judging me now? That's their excuse. That's their excuse. Damn. Yeah, that's why I'm so pissed off all the time. That's why I have to call out. A lot of people be silent all the time. They're silent. Even some people just don't care about it, you know, don't want to help us. That's not good. You know, if someone just calling out China is doing genocide, especially the Uyghur man fighting for his own people, I believe you should support us. You know, let's fight those Chinese communists together. All right, it's like 667 now. I need to finish 300. Almost done. I still have 15 minutes. Yeah, I agree. Totally agree. This is worse than anything in the West ever did. Of course, this is a disaster for the world, but a lot of country still supporting China. Look at those slaves. China committing genocide. 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 China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Hey man, what do you call it? Mirzabin. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Almost done. I will reply you guys very soon. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Okay, 2000. I finished 1,000 call-outs today. Yes, of course, these people does not have sympathy. Yes, of course, man. I don't know what your religion you have, but at least we have religion, right? We scare something, right? We have rules, right? Every religion like teach you do this, don't do that, do this, don't do that, or help people, right? Gives them love. But they don't have that type of religion. They don't think that way, okay? That's why they become the most selfish animal in the world. All they want just get, invade, took away from people, get it, make it to mine, myself, only myself. That's why they invade, they polluted the world, right? They keep making, everyone thinking like a world climate issue, global warming things. They don't care because we think next generation, right? Because this is, the world is not just humans, it belongs to animal as well, the plant, everything, ecosystem. You worry about those, they don't care. They don't care nothing. They just want to enjoy and die because they think they came world one times. They have to do everything they can, you know. They enjoy, they took, they steal. So see those video like Chinese sitting in the car making this video. See all the invaders. There's not such a single Han Chinese workers. All is Uyghurs. Native Uyghurs. They just try to make Uyghurs busy. I know it's forced labor, but they have to live, right? They have to get the jobs. They can't get the job. I'm Uyghur. I had 2 bachelor's degree from mainland China, right? I have 2 bachelors from 2 different fields. One is chemistry, one is company management. From mainland China, my degree, and I got all the certificates they require, but they just told me, oh, Uyghurs, I'm sorry. And if you're interesting, if you go to Miradil Hasan's YouTube channel, you will know how horrible the situation of Uyghurs, okay? I will recommend you guys, if you guys go to my channel, partner channel is this guy, Universal Gangster, okay? This guy called Miradil Hasan, he just speak up for 3 days in mainland China and then he got arrested. Done. His life over. And here is some English testimony he gave last year, September. It's horrible. It's like because of his Uyghur, he same with me. He had his English degree from the college, university. He has bachelor's, and then he can't get a job. The interviewers just said, oh, Uyghurs, I'm sorry. And then he went to mainland, but no one allowed him stay. he can't rent the house, right? Rent the apartment, rent a room. So he became homeless, and the Chinese started searching him. Chinese Communist Party started searching him. Then he eventually became homeless for a couple months. Then he speak up, and Chinese communists arrest him. No one know where he is. I highly recommend his video. I think on each of my video you can, I post his link, or you can just go my feature a partner channel. This guy no more exists anymore. I mean, in the internet at least. And he got arrested. We know, you know, we got internal information from the China. He got arrested. Free Radio Asia reported his things every time. Thank you, my friend from Russia. Beaster forever. Thank you. Thanks for support. Please share, guys. Please share my channel. And my voice has to reach to the world, because a lot of people try to stay silent, try to think, okay, we don't know who is Uyghur. Still, you know, I ask, it's not their problem, probably maybe we not speak out enough, maybe because of we not call out enough. So that's why I did this challenge called millions time call out. Okay, I will call millions time if people still sleep or still have an excuse to not know about Uyghur situation or something else. But I can't do this by myself. It depends on your guys' support, guys. And please join my, if you guys really support, join our community right here. Okay? No. Community is right here. You can just scan this 2D code, okay? This is Uyghur Man Community on Telegram. And we also have a Discord, but we don't use Discord that much now. So Telegram is our best choice. Just join us. We have a lot of discussion, and you're not gonna miss any of my activity from now on. Or you share on Discord. Thank you. Just please, if you guys can, just join our Telegram. Also, if you guys think Discord is better for use and we should stay in Discord, let me know. I will think about it. I just wanna like collect all this community and supporters, because I cannot do this alone, guys. I cannot fight this whole superpower China by myself. My voice easily gonna get wiped out by them. Easy peasy, you know. That's why like all my social media is super weird, you know. Like last time they deleted my video directly, which is most viewed video about how I exposed Chinese Communist game in Hong Kong or something like that, about their media, which attract a lot of attraction, and it just deleted, and my watching time just decreased. Sometimes people's like increase, right? Mine is like decrease. It's a lot of things. I can't fight by myself, so I need you guys' support. Please share. Thanks, everyone. China can bring Kazakhstan and Russia so much problem. Oh, China, I feel so bad to my Kazakhstan friend too. Like Russia, I mean, Russia's at least another big country. I don't worry Russia that much, but China can bring the world problem. Look at how India suffer right now because of China's virus, because India was only tough country in the world to which are already military against Chinese invasion. And what's he suffering? China target India. That's so obvious. We all know. Use their bioweapon, okay? About it, I just mentioned bioweapon. A lot of people say, why you say it's bioweapon? Probably. I made a video. My major is chemistry, so I read a lot of article about biochem, how's it published the things. And here is one video about my explanation why it is a bioweapon. Where is it? Should be here. Should be some. Okay, here. I provide all the evidence, okay? All the evidence about all the article. If you think, oh, I'm just bullshit, check all the article. China published about, look at this. This lady was working on this project like a bat coronavirus things. There's all details, okay? This is a bioweapon China targets this time to India. Check about it. And all this whistleblower, like who speak out about in China, who speak out about virus, disappear. This journalist, this doctor, you know. This bioweapon killing whole world is not just Russia and India or Uyghurs, okay? So it's our problem. It's whole. We have to fight together. Uyghurs cannot do. Our voice is nothing. You know, we can't do anything by ourselves. If you realize China is a real virus to this world, we have to speak out. Okay, I am here for speak out. I will be on the top. I will be on the front, okay? If something happen, okay, let happen to me. But please share, guys. I have to. I can't just watch all my people dying every single day and do nothing, all right, guys? I can't do that. So I have to speak out. And the challenge, they threatened my parents many times. Like, my sister was crying, begging for me to stop. Look at the CCP sent me message. I posted my sister's voice, how she crying and how she tried to, how Chinese communists find her once. She pressured me to stop, okay? Why I have to stop? Why my people suffering every single day and I have to be silent? Why? I can't. So, I'm speaking out, guys. I'm just doing something. I'm not a super gentle guy. I'm not super polite guy when it comes to the China. Maybe my voice or my tone is not as usual as other video you see, okay? I'm not, but I have a right to get mad, guys. I got brainstorm every day, like China committing genocide to your people. Where's your mother? Where's your brother? This is things every day, okay? And when I search about Xinjiang or about my people, Uyghurs, all Chinese propaganda, all fake news from China. So I have to do something. This is what I choose to do. This not require me any skills. All I want to do is just talk, just speak out what's going on. You mean Mirzabin? They already, I mean, they don't even secretly. They used to secretly invaded our land. Or Tatarstan, I know they killed 80 million Tatars in previous communist regime like Soviet Union. They killed 80 million Tatar and then they failed. China killing 75% of us, which is their goal, right? They want to, if we have 20 million Uyghurs in mainland China, they want to kill 3/4, 75% of us. So it means how many? It means 15 million at least. They want to kill us. Same thing. The communism have a certain goal to just wipe out certain population and then fail, you know. So it just history just repeating itself. No matter you compare to the communism or the Hitler or things like that. Just repeating itself. Tatar is our brother. Yeah, Tatar, Uyghur is all the ancient Turk in the world. If you look at the history of Turk, it's all Tartar or Tatar. We have very similar language. They helped us a lot. Education, they're good at education. Tatar people, that's what we appreciate. They're really awesome people. They were really developed, okay? But they just got wiped out almost. Little Tatarstan even can't be independent like Uyghurs. Guys, so many things need to talk. I will talk every day little by little. Today I finished my 1000 goals already. Call out goals. So Please join our community, spread our voice, click and share, or comment in the below, and recommend your friend. Okay. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Uyghur need a country. Yes, you're right, my friend from Russia. So if you join our community, so we know we can keep in touch all the time. And please just click that ring bell button so you don't miss when I start to stream. But every day at 11 a.m. East Coast time, I will be here. I will be here all the time at this time, okay? Just to come 1 hour early to my channel, you will see me from now on. And if you guys really need a support, just make a video, call out China doing genocide, China doing genocide, just like I did. I don't care about your background, just call China doing genocide, China doing genocide, and send it to our Telegram group, and I will post it. That's the best help. That's the best help for me, for us. Okay, guys? So, million times, it's probably gonna take a year or 2 years. If I speak like 1,000 a day, it means I have to do 1,000 times to call 1 million. 1 million China doing genocide, China committing genocide. It takes 1,000 days for me, guys. It is super hard done by myself. We have to call out together. If you can just make one video for me, China committing genocide like this, if this can turn be global movement, that's time everyone gonna know. Then I can no more do 1,000 times, guys. Then I feel better. Then we can totally call out 1 million times. Okay? If no one help, I was still going. 1,000 days, it's 3 years. It's nothing. I will still keep going. Yes, they had shocked. They might don't know about the details. They don't believe. Here, I will provide all video. This is only about the forced labor. I will provide more video about genocide, about our kids, about the cotton, how they use Uyghurs, force our Uyghurs get cotton. But if you look at the Chinese propaganda, use white monkey in China. Look at this. How they do? Like, look at all this. Stand next to China. This is whole internet filled with, okay, filled with Chinese propaganda videos. Our YouTube is become communist YouTube, ComTube, not YouTube, okay, ComTube. Look at this. This guy is saying.
Do you know that the average adult has 5 to 20 pounds of toxic poop in their body at any given moment? Seems crazy, right?
交了对象了，所以1个月。But it's.
Give me a second. I will explain.
Okay.
How this? I will show you guys how this guy.
里面很有钱。
This guy trying to say. This guy trying to say, okay, all automated, right? All automated. There's no Uyghur slave.
Yo, that's so cool, man.
Uyghur slave to
Look
do
at this
job from this Chinese influencer. Okay? To pay this guy to go to East Turkestan to show the world there's no slave, right? But I showed you guys all bunch of slave, and this is about cotton because of the world start boycotting cotton from Uyghur slaves. So this guy China sends this guy and with his team recording for him, makes this type of video and post it on YouTube. You know, this is Chinese game, and I have exactly video for the cotton, how our people suffering. Okay, I will show you guys very soon. Okay, just show you guys a little of them. I have a bunch. If I wanna do it, look at this. Look at this guy. This guy trying to say, oh, it's
在这儿来个单车两步，我不需要开，其实是吧？
It's all about machinized, okay? No sleeve, only
Yo,
one
that's
or
so cool,
two
man.
people walk.
Look at
That's
this.
it. Okay, but look at this other video leaked from China. This is just one of them. I have millions of them. I will show you guys. Look at our kids, our babies. Oh, China is peaceful. How, if they're peaceful, they're not gonna invade Buddhist Tibet, East Turkestan, Mongols, Manchuria. There's their border. Everyone knows where is their border, right? The Great Wall is the border for Chinese, right? Otherwise, what's the purpose for the Great Wall? That their ancestor made the border, but they cross over the Great Wall, invading the world now. See, these are all the slave, Uyghur slave baby. See, this lady is crying. Look at this. This guy made me so sad. This lady is crying because of it's so hard. And you can't find this type of video. You find video from YouTube is like this. Are people machinized? Is all developed, right? But from here you never see, you will see the truth, okay? So please help and spread my videos, spread this channel. Let's blow this channel up. Let's fight with Chinese Communist Party, stop their evil behavior. Yes, the Great Wall is their real border. If you look at the Great Wall, I want to show you guys where is the Great Wall. The Great Wall. I will show you guys. But where's it now? Okay. Oops. Here. This is a Great Wall. If you just need a search, this is not, I made it up, okay? The border of China. Qing. You know, Qing is the real China, Qing, okay? That's their Great Wall, okay? They expand from here to there, right? You can easily see. This is a wall first, and then here, and then this is their wall now. Alright? Or there's no war right now. It's easy just to try to communist globalized communists. That's what they want. Look at their wall is right here. That's where they belong. Okay? Invading everyone's land. They're not Buddhists. They're communists. How they become a communist? Like you said, my friend, they're not Buddhist. They're communists. They have non-religion. They don't have any religions. They believe communists only believe money. Only believe money because of CCP. Okay. All right, guys. It's 1 hour a day should be enough because what I'm doing is pretty hard stuff. I'm gonna continue my goal. The consistency is more important for me than each time a day. So please be here tomorrow 1 hour early than now, so you guys will see me and I will show you guys about the cotton. Okay, about the cotton forced labor, and every day new content I will try to make sure. And today I'll show you guys all about the forced labor. Our mother, our sister is on the ground, transported to the mainland China. This is all leaked video. You can't find anywhere. You can't find from YouTube, okay? You can find. This is what we collected one by one. Every 15 seconds video we collect, we download. It's from all those Chinese version of TikTok, Chinese servers. So it's hard for us to collect all this evidence about internal China. All you see is from Chinese workers, okay? Look at the Chinese white monkey. If you look at this, all the comment, it's from China. I'm pretty sure they spend millions because the most things they have is money and people, okay? They have enough people to type all these things. And I know I grew up in China and I studied in Chinese school for all my life, and I know their methodology, mentality, how they think about the world. Okay? All this comment right here, I can easily tell it's bot, okay? It's bot. I can easily tell they spend millions money just for this comment, this type of video. See, that's why this guy have this much of view. This is not an organic view. Trust me. That's why when you search Xinjiang, is not about Uyghur genocide, but it's like question mark. All about the challenging. It's not genocide. All about this, you know. But here, you will listen Uyghur situation from Uyghurs. Direct voice from Uyghurs. So, you want to listen Uyghur situation from communists or from Uyghurs. It's up to you. Look at this. The double quotation. They use double quotation for forced labor. They kind of making joke about what we're facing. Uyghur had a lot of country, guys. Uyghur had named by Uyghur Kaghanet, just one of this. I don't want to talk about history today so much, but we will have a live stream only about the history of Uyghurs one day, and you guys will know about Uyghurs history, not Chinese version of history. And we also will do live stream about Chinese history, okay? Han Chinese history especially. Han Chinese. Now I will use double quotation here. Han Chinese, okay? All right. Thanks for you guys watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow, guys. Please share, subscribe, click the ring bell, and click the like button. That's all. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow, 1 hour.